guys, how are we all doing? So it's makeshift dyno room day. Obviously dyno room hasn't continued at all because of Corona, so no supplies, no work done. But I have got, hopefully now, some supplies coming Thursday. The main issue was lime, trying to find companies that sell lime that are still open, but that's now sorted. I've moved the dyno from this point over here and shifted it into the middle of the workshop with the car facing inwards, and then I've blocked this up, obviously very nice and makeshift, and there's a fan under that orange cover, and then this pretty dilapidated pipe, as you can see there's a few gaps in it, goes round to the back, so it comes round to here, and hopefully that's going to suck out most of the exhaust fumes, so it doesn't fill the workshop up. We'll see how that goes. Still got the fans at the front and on the boot. Everything's basically the same. I've now got some kind of ignition tacho. New connector came, but it's a different style. Instead of a dual banana plug, it's got shielded plugs that then I need to get extension cables for. Managed to get one extension cable, the other one's on a crocodile clip at the minute, which is fantastic. So if we don't get ignition tacho correctly, I'll just do roller tacho again on the gearbox. That's not a problem. Everything's set up. I've got the knock sensor, knock analyzer pro, ready to be plugged in, so at least I can listen to the engine this time. So one difference this time round is dual widebands. Power on. The wideband on the dyno reading, 13.4, mainly 13.5 maybe, same up there. And here's the LSU 4.9s, so it's 5.6, so it's slightly richer on the dyno. Right, well, I think that's basically it. I'm not going to tune above 3000 RPM because it is super loud, and obviously without a dyno room, it's just going to piss everyone off, including me. So, I haven't tuned idle yet. I've just got it around 13.8, something like that, 750 RPM. Unfortunately, I may actually have to redo the master fuel because I've got 86% in there now. Although I've only tuned, so 83, but it's definitely going to go above that. It's going to be up like nearly 90% of the master, which will be a bit annoying, but if we have to do that, we have to do it. It'll be tuned at the track now, it won't be tuned here. The thermostat may have to come out because I'd like to keep the temps, especially because it's going to be drifting. I might want to keep the temps a little bit lower than where they are. This is the third gear power run that I did. I pulled out sort of 5-ish thousand RPM because it started to go a little bit leaner, down at 14 AFR. So, but 320 pounds-foot and 300 horsepower, just third gear pull, not too bad. There's no real ignition timing. So that'll be it now until we can either get the dyno room finished to a respectable level where it's going to insulate the sound, or until we get it to a track. I would like slightly harder tyres on it for the dyno for sure, just so they don't wear away and stick to the dyno so much. Once again, thanks very much guys, hope you enjoyed the video. At least we actually saw it running on the dyno properly and pulling some power at least. Hopefully we'll have more to come soon. Take care guys, thanks very much. Thanks for watching guys. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up. If you want to see more videos, subscribe, hit that bell and get the notifications. You can also check us out on Facebook, the link's going to be in the description. Thanks for watching and we'll see you soon.